Now on initial yellow belt challenge, the couple of things that we want to focus on is first, when we first look at this, we see that this says 2-4. And because of that, when we hear the recording count us in, it's only going to click twice and then it'll start to play. Also, we want to recognize this symbol here. This is called a repeat sign, and it means to go back and play that section again. So we'll hear, whenever we hear this, it'll play this first line. It'll go back. Once it hits the repeat sign, it'll go back and play it again. And then it will go on to the second line. Okay. So let's give that a listen. Okay. And now let's try to sing those letters as we go along. So singing the letters. B B B B B B B B B B B B B B B. Hey, and I myself forgot there was only 2 clicks, so be ready for that. Let's do that again. Count it again. Only 2 clicks, and then we sing. B B B B B B B B B B B B B B B. Okay, and now when we go to play it, remember we're still doing the pinch thumb on the back hole, covering it all the way, and first finger on the top hole. Let's do that 2 more times. Try to get more feel on the 2 clicks, and then we play. And our last time through this initial yellow belt challenge.